Passive income refers to a type of income that requires minimal ongoing effort to maintain. The bulk of the work is done upfront, with occasional maintenance required to continue earning. This is often referred to as making money while you sleep. Passive income can come from creating a product or service that generates revenue on its own, such as an online course or blog, or from passive investments such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. In theory, all income sources are equal, but in terms of achieving financial freedom, passive income is superior to active income. Active income is earned through ongoing efforts and requires continuous work to maintain. Passive income, on the other hand, does not require active effort and can continue to generate income for years. If the goal is to attain financial freedom, focusing on passive income is advisable. Keep in mind, while passive income may require less ongoing effort, it still requires significant work upfront to establish a stream of passive income. What are the indicators of a recession? A recession is typically indicated by a combination of negative economic indicators such as a decline in GDP, rising unemployment, a decrease in retail sales, a slowdown in manufacturing, and a decrease in income. When a country experiences these factors over an extended period, it is likely to be in a recession. In times of economic uncertainty and the potential for a recession in 2023, many Americans are looking for ways to supplement their income. This becomes particularly important during the holiday season when expenses tend to rise. While working longer hours, taking overtime, or getting a second job can provide additional income, these options may not be practical for everyone. Passive income strategies can be a viable alternative, offering a steady stream of income with minimal effort. While it may not lead to wealth, it can provide a valuable supplement to one's current income. There are several ways to generate passive income during a recession, some of which include investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income even during a recession. Renting out a property, such as a spare room or a vacation home, can provide a steady stream of passive income. Investing in peer-to-peer lending. Platforms such as Lending Club and Prosper allow individuals to lend money to others, providing the opportunity for passive income. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks can provide a passive income stream if done correctly. Investing in index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a stock market index. They can provide a passive income stream through dividends. Moreover, here are 7 concrete ideas on how to generate passive income. Setting up a dropshipping store is a profitable way to generate passive income. Dropshipping allows you to source products from online marketplaces such as AliExpress and sell them to customers worldwide. You can stock your store with a variety of products from different niches such as fashion, home decor, or beauty. One of the benefits of dropshipping is that you have control over your own business, including the prices you charge for products. Of all the passive income ideas, dropshipping offers the most control over profit margins. Blogging is another popular way to generate passive income. Many entrepreneurs have earned passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. Building a successful blog may require significant upfront work, but it is a sustainable way to build an audience through organic and social traffic or email lists. One of the main advantages of having a blog is that it can be transformed into multiple streams of income. If you're looking for a straightforward passive income idea, blogging may be a good option for you. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to generate passive income if you are an expert in a particular subject or field. Online courses can be sold through your own website or on platforms like Udemy. Selling through your own website allows you to have control over pricing and maintain your profit margins. However, if you choose to sell on platforms like Udemy, the course may be heavily discounted during certain periods, which may affect your passive income. If you have a following on Instagram, creating sponsored content may be an option for generating passive income. Sponsored posts are pieces of content that promote a specific product or service and are compensated by the sponsoring party. To increase the chances of getting sponsored, focus on growing your Instagram followers, be consistent in the type of content you post, and specialize in one niche. Brands typically prefer creators who can consistently produce high-quality content within a specific topic. E-commerce is a popular method of generating passive income online, and one way to do this is through print on demand. This method allows you to sell custom graphics on products such as t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, and more. The advantage of print on demand is that you can create your own branded products. However, it requires a certain level of graphic design skills as the margins are often too thin to outsource the designs affordably. On the other hand, if you create a unique and successful design, your sales can take off. Additionally, it is not a highly competitive business as other brands are unlikely to sell the same designs. Developing an app is another way to generate passive income. It is a trend that creating something tends to lead to passive income, and this is particularly true in the world of mobile software. If you have skills as a developer or programmer, creating apps can be a passive income stream for you. You can monetize your app in two ways, either by charging a fee for its purchase or by making it available for free and monetizing it through advertising. It can be said that stocks have played a significant role in the wealth of the world's wealthiest individuals. Although investing in stocks may seem passive, the research and due diligence involved is active. For example, Warren Buffett is known for reading 500 pages a day, mostly consisting of business annual reports, to gain a better understanding of the performance of potential investments. Investing in stocks can provide a source of passive income that exceeds the earning potential of a traditional 9-to-5 job. If you have knowledge of various markets and industry trends, it may be worth considering stock investments as a means of passive income. It is challenging to predict the duration of a recession. The National Bureau of Economic Research, NBR, is responsible for officially declaring a recession, but even they cannot determine how long it will last. A common indicator of a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth, but it is not the only one. In 2022, there were 2 quarters of decreasing real GDP, but other economic indicators did not indicate a recession. Each recession is unique, and their duration can vary. The recession in the mid-1970s lasted 16 months, from November 1973 to March 1975. The early 1980s saw 2 recessions, the first lasting 6 months, from January 1980 to July 1980, and the second from July 1981 to November 1982, for 16 months. The Great Recession of 2008 lasted from December 2007 to June 2009, a total of 18 months. Finally, the pandemic recession lasted only 2 months, from February 2020 to April 2020. Recessions are usually short-lived in terms of duration, but the economic recovery can take longer. Recovering from a recession takes time. While economic indicators may indicate that a recession is over, different sectors of the economy may not recover at the same pace.